The video introduces the fascinating world of microorganisms residing on our hands, prompting viewers to reconsider what they might be unknowingly hosting. Setting the stage. Microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea, are tiny, living organisms that can't be seen with the naked eye. They form a diverse microbial ecosystem, and we're about to explore the microbial city living right at our fingertips. The microbial census. Studies have conducted a census of the microbial world on our hands, revealing an average of 1,500 species of bacteria per hand. This unseen community creates a bustling environment that we interact with daily. Friendly microbes. Not all microbes are harmful. Many are beneficial and contribute to maintaining the health of our skin, protecting us from invaders, and even supporting our immune system. The handshake dilemma. A single handshake can transfer approximately 124 million bacteria between individuals, highlighting the constant microbial exchange during social interactions. The soap and water symphony. Effective hand washing with soap and water is a powerful defense against potentially harmful microbes. Maintaining this simple hygiene routine helps to keep the microbial balance in check. Hand hygiene tips. Practical tips for effective hand hygiene are shared, emphasizing the importance of scrubbing for at least 20 seconds, reaching between fingers, and paying attention to fingertips. The antibacterial soap debate. The ongoing debate about the use of antibacterial soap is introduced, raising questions about its impact on the microbial ecosystem and its efficacy compared to regular soap. Microbial diversity. Each person has a unique microbial fingerprint on their hands, contributing to the diversity of the microbial community. This diversity holds potential insights into personalized health and hygiene practices,